Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that Windows users might come across when working with file attributes. The problem revolves around the Attrib command and its D and S options, which might not behave exactly as expected when dealing with directories. Now, let's talk about the solution to this tricky problem. The Attrib command in Windows handles paths in a unique way, splitting them into directory and base name parts. This means that when using the S and D options, the command might not recurse through all subdirectories as expected. Instead, it focuses on searching for objects with specific names within the current directory. Understanding this unconventional behavior is key to using the Attrib command effectively. In summary, when working with the Attrib command in Windows, it's important to remember its unconventional path handling. The D and S options might not behave exactly as you'd expect, so it's essential to understand how the command interprets directory and base names. With this knowledge, you'll be able to navigate file attributes with ease. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. We always love hearing from you.